Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we are going to be working on a very unique customer's truck. Eddie's Life from YouTube brought us his brand new Ram 3500. This is a 2019 Ram 3500 4x4 with a Cummins engine. Now, he wanted to build a truck that was kind of had some unique requirements. It is a truck that's going to haul his trailer, ride good on the highway, as well as be able to survive off-roading, going to the sand dunes and things like that. So what we came up with was the Carli Suspension Ram 3500 Back Country kit. Now this kit is a 3¼ inch lift system for, again, the 2014 and up Ram 3500 trucks. The Back Country system utilizes a Carli Suspension tuned Fox Reservoir 2.0 shock. Now again, this is not an off-the-shelf shock that you would get from Amazon, something like that. It is a custom-tuned shock package. In the rear, he opted to go with the Carli Suspension Adapacks. Now, because he tows, we did not do the full springs. He already even had a set of heavy-duty airlift airbags on the bag, in which case we combined with the Daystar airbag cradle to allow the suspension to move as much as the Carli Adapack and shock package combination allow, yet still allow the airbag to ride in this cup, so when he's hauling, his airbags are actually useful. Now, Eddie actually supplied his own tires on this project. He used a 20-inch XD wheel. Again, the 20-inch wheels, very often you can find the proper back spacing. Again, you want to shoot for that 5¾ inch number or be as close as possible. He also paired it with our favorite, the 37-inch Toyo MT tire. So this truck, these tires are gonna be able to haul anything he can haul and also perform excellently off-road. So now we got this suspension done and we got the wheels and tires all mounted up. Eddie was super stoked with how it looks, and I have to agree, this turned out killer. Ride quality-wise, I think we'll just let him speak for himself.
Go, brace yourself. It's like too fast for me. Oh man, that's amazing. That's insane. Wow. See, this thing now, it's very hard for you guys to tell on camera, but I honestly would have wet flying through the roof. The back would have bounced so bad in that dip. You guys have no idea. This ride and this truck drives 10 times smoother than it was when it was stock. So I don't care, you know, what you guys think from the factory. Oh, it rides good stock, it rides this. It doesn't. There's no way that this thing can ride this good from the factory. I mean, it's incredible. That speed bump and driving it, and you guys say these like mutters are loud, it's gonna be rough. This thing's like a Cadillac. I cannot wait to tow with this truck.
So as Eddie said, this suspension system not only lifts the truck as you would expect from a suspension system, but it actually offers an improved ride. So often on the market we see lift kits. So many different brands make them. They even try to offer fancy shocks such as Fox shocks or King shocks. But one thing that they're all missing is the custom tuning touch. Now these shocks have been they get a sample shock from Fox and they put it on this truck, and someone will actually drive it around town, drive it off-road, they'll haul with it. They'll put it through all the scenarios that you and I go through while driving and using these trucks, and they'll make fine adjustments, and all of these fine adjustments really add up to a completely polished ride both on and off the highway. And with this combination, you really can achieve the best of both worlds. You can get a truck that can haul and also a truck that can ride well on and off the highway. Again, he can even take this truck and do some light off-roading, hit trails, things like that. The truck has a ton of torque, excellent brakes, and excellent cooling, so you can really put this truck in a variety of situations with the suspension and have it perform flawlessly. So yeah, thanks Eddie for letting us work on your truck and giving us this opportunity. Again, check out his channel, Eddie's Life, and see his video that he also did on the build. If you have any questions or anything like that, comments, or want to get it on order, check out the description down below. Leave a comment, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We'll be happy to help you out. And if you did like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more.